Hi guys, today we will be talking about the loanable funds model and interest rates. To start, loanable funds is all saved income by savers and consequently lent to borrowers. A single interest rate is responsible for the money savers make on their savings and for the interest rate for the cost for borrowers to borrow. Now, the interest rate is determined by the equilibrium of the supply and demand of loanable funds on a demand curve. There are many factors affecting supply and demand. For supply of loanable funds, it is affected by changes in private savings and also government budget balance. This is such as government surplus. And when there's a government surplus, it would add to the public saving. For shifts in demand, they're influenced by changes in expectations of future business opportunities and changes in government policies affecting investment. It is also important to note that these shifts affect the real interest rate, which is the nominal interest rate minus the inflation rate. For a real-world example of this, take a business like Sephora and say they take on a new product line that requires in-house makeup artists for the demonstration of the new product. Now, Sephora is going to have to finance this business opportunity, like paying for the artists so that they can showcase the new product. So their demand for loanable funds will increase because they're going to need to finance the money to pay for those new artists. Now on the graph with the fictional real interest rate of originally it was set at 4%, the shift will increase the demand curve, causing it to shift to the right and raising the real interest rate up to 6%. This is an example of how the supply and demand of loanable funds will affect the real interest rate. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.